Older homes in Coppell often have a unique charm and character that homeowners want to preserve while still improving comfort and efficiency. One of the most impactful upgrades for these homes is replacing outdated bow windows. Bow windows, known for their elegant curved design and ability to extend outward, can enhance both the appearance and functionality of a home. However, in older properties, these windows may require thoughtful replacement solutions to meet modern standards while maintaining architectural integrity. One of the first considerations when replacing bow windows in older homes is structural compatibility. Over time, framing and support systems may shift or weaken, especially around large window openings. Modern replacement solutions address this by reinforcing the surrounding structure and ensuring the new bow window is properly supported. This not only improves safety but also ensures long-term durability and performance. Energy efficiency is another major reason homeowners in Coppell choose to upgrade their bow windows. Older windows often lack proper insulation, allowing air to leak in and out of the home. This can lead to higher energy bills and inconsistent indoor temperatures. Modern bow windows are designed with multi-pane glass, insulated frames, and advanced sealing systems that help reduce heat transfer. These features keep homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, improving overall comfort and reducing energy costs. Custom sizing and design are essential when working with older homes. Unlike newer properties, older homes may not have standard window dimensions. Replacement bow windows are often custom built to fit the existing opening, ensuring a seamless installation. This approach preserves the home's original design while upgrading performance. Homeowners can also choose from a variety of finishes, colors, and grid patterns to match the home's style. Another important solution is upgrading frame materials. Older bow windows were often constructed with wood frames, which can deteriorate over time due to moisture exposure and weather conditions. Modern materials such as vinyl and fiberglass offer improved durability and require less maintenance. These materials resist warping, cracking, and rot, making them ideal for long-term use while still providing a clean, attractive appearance. Improved glass technology is also a key part of modern bow window replacement. Newer glass options include coatings that help manage sunlight and reduce glare, which is particularly beneficial in Coppell's bright conditions. These coatings also protect interior furnishings from fading and help maintain a comfortable indoor environment without excessive heat buildup. Ventilation is another factor to consider. While bow windows often include a fixed center panel, the side windows can be designed to open, allowing for improved airflow. This is especially useful in older homes that may not have optimal ventilation. By incorporating operable sections, homeowners can enjoy both the visual appeal of bow windows and the practical benefits of fresh air circulation. Proper installation is critical when replacing bow windows in older homes. Because these windows extend outward, they require precise alignment and secure anchoring. Professional installation ensures that the window is properly sealed, preventing air leaks and moisture intrusion. It also ensures that the weight of the window is evenly distributed, reducing the risk of structural issues over time. Another advantage of replacing bow windows is the opportunity to enhance natural light and interior space. The outward projection of bow windows creates a small alcove that can be used for seating, storage, or decorative purposes. This not only improves the functionality of the space but also adds to the overall appeal of the home. Maintenance is often easier with modern replacement windows. New materials and construction methods reduce the need for frequent upkeep, allowing homeowners to enjoy long-lasting performance with minimal effort. Regular cleaning and occasional inspections are usually sufficient to keep the windows in excellent condition. In conclusion, replacing bow windows in older Coppell homes offers a range of benefits, from improved energy efficiency and durability to enhanced aesthetics and functionality. With custom design options, advanced materials, and professional installation, homeowners can preserve the character of their homes while upgrading to modern performance standards. Bow window replacement is a valuable investment that brings both immediate comfort and long-term value to any older property.